Hi, you might remember, or you might have seen that I got this project kit from the, it was £7 I think, and I got it from the Stampin Up clearance rack. So I thought what I'd do today is make one of each of the cards that are in the kit. And let's see how easy it is. So we've got 4 different card backgrounds, blanks. So we've got those 2, we've got this one, and we've got this one. So the kits come with cards, envelopes, they even came with envelope liners. I'm not going to use these envelope liners, they're gold foil. I'm going to use them for other things because they're just, that was sort of a bargain in itself. So there's 4 different card blanks. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 here. And I'll put, there's the envelopes, you get all the envelopes as well. I'll pop those to one side as well. That's the bag that it all comes in. There's little elements that I've already taken off. Right, we'll get there, just a minute. I'm a bit disorganised, aren't I? That's not like me. Then we've got our sequins. So for the first card then, we're using the first card we seem to be using this. Oh no. The first cards are, a plain one. I ain't got a plain one. Was it that one? Oh. What an idiot. The first card is this one. I was thinking I had to stamp that onto it. Is this one. So we need a red strip and a season of cheer. So I think we need this strip and we need a little bit of the gold sequin trim, just a little piece. You'll have to ignore my telly's on quite loud, and it's because it's not even telly, it's YouTube, but it's because my dogs don't like to sit in silent. So that's going to go on there. I'm assuming they've given a little bit too much so that if you make a mistake it doesn't matter. And then I just need the Seasons of Cheer cut out now. Or do I have to stamp that myself? I have to stamp that myself, and I haven't got the Seasons of Cheer stamp set. So I'll have to stamp something else. So I'd take this, I guess, the small one, and I'd stamp something onto there. Well, I haven't got the Seasons of Cheer stamp set, so I'll find a stamp set that I have got that's got some Christmas stamps in it. And I'm just going to use this one, Wishing You Joy, or with Love at Christmas. I'm going to use this with Love at Christmas stamp. And this isn't from a Stampin' Up set, and the reason I'm not showing you the set is because I want to show you the set. Oh, I want to show you the set. Oh, in a whole video. And if I show you it now, I won't have it in my haul pile. So, and these are just these just seem to be stamped in black. So that's what I'm going to do. I don't even think, I might have the Seasons of Cheer stamp set, I'm not sure. I don't think I have them. So with Love at Christmas, I'm going to do for that one. And then for this next one, I need this sort of watercoloured background. And then I need a big square. I need a bigger piece of sequin. And I need this push out, and I need to just stamp it. I'm not going to stamp it Seasons of Cheer, I'm going to stamp it the same as the other one with Love at Christmas. There we go. That's going to go on there. So I'll make that one. And then the other two. Oh, interesting. We're going to have the stripy one. And we're going to go with the wide sort of pennant, if you like. That'll go down there. And then I'm assuming the larger. These are not the same quality as Whisper White cardstock. This is not Whisper White cardstock. Definitely not. So I'm not sure what it is, but that's not what it is. And then that's going to go over there. Instead of putting Oh Joy, I'm going to do mine this way again. Love at Christmas again. So I've changed that a little bit. And then the last one is going to be red. We're not going to have, we're going to have a few sequins pulled off. Right, let's get these compiled then. Right, well, first things first, I'm going to dot these sequins on. We have the 4 cards from the kit, and they're really cute, aren't they? And now what you can do is pop them with their envelopes, and then pop them in the envelope's really good. Pop them in cellophane bags, and you can use them as your own cards. Or you can sell them. Stick Stampin' Up copyright on the back if you're going to sell them. And there you go. And you know, I even like that one. I would never use such a big sentiment, and I would never use the sequins like that. So yeah, I'm grateful for that kit, because it's given me some ideas. So I've got the rest of them now to make up, and then I think what I'll be doing is I'll be donating those to a charity to sell or I'll be selling them to raise money for a charity. Fabulous cards. Or you could use them in a totally different way. It's entirely up to you. But yeah. So that's number 1 of things I got on the clearance rack, and how to use them. And I'll be doing another tutorial in a minute, which I'll upload separately, which will be using some of the other stuff that I got. So I'll see you in a minute. Okay, thanks, bye bye.